Samsung has just announced their brand new smartwatches at Samsung Unpacked 2026, the new Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 and the Galaxy Watch 9. I got hands-on experience with them before launch. I'll be posting a full review, but here's what's new in these watches. Some big upgrades. The display on the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is 5,000 nits. That's 2,000 nits more than the baseline of the best watches on the market right now. So it's gonna be extremely bright. It has an 800 milliamp battery, and it gets up to 60 hours of use with always on display on. That's like 2.5 days of battery life on a smartwatch. We have not seen this. This is insane. The Watch 9 will get up to 30 hours of battery life with always on display on. So that's more than one full day of 24 hours. All of them can charge to 100% in 80 to 90 minutes. They'll be using the new Wear OS powered by Samsung, Wear OS 7. And they're getting some very interesting software updates. So there's gonna be some blood pressure features on the new Samsung watches. I'm very excited to test this out. You will have to measure your blood pressure once a month on an actual cuff, and then that will help calibrate the Samsung watch to give you trends of your estimated blood pressure every single day. Next, we're getting some updates to routes and maps on trails, so you know the directions that you want to go on a specific route. And they're partnering with the company. This feature is coming out soon. It won't be at launch, but it gives you some diving features. They will have Bluetooth options with GPS, as well as ones with cellular options as well, LTE. No 5G on these watches though. But both watches will have dual band GPS, so they should be relatively accurate, but I would love to run a marathon with these and test them out to see how good they actually are in comparison to Apple Watch, Garmin, Coros, and all the other players out there. After having hands-on experience with them, the watches look almost exactly the same. There's not a big drastic visual difference than the watches that came out. Like the original Ultra came out 2 years ago, and the Watch 8 came out last year. So that overall experience wasn't that much different. They did show us the new bands, the colors, the textures. It's the same system, so that's good to know. But I'm gonna have to spend more time testing out the data. I really wanna see how well the blood pressure feature works. I wanna see how good the metrics are for running. And are these actually amazing fitness tracking watches that also provide powerful smartphone features? So subscribe, turn notifications, follow me at Shervin Shares. Let me know what questions you have about these watches so I can test them out in the coming days. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.